Hello friends, welcome back to CAD practice. Today we are going to make a basic 3D model of crankshaft in Autodesk Inventor software. So let's get started with today's tutorial. Go to new, take a standard part in millimeter and go to create. Now from here select the 2D sketch and we'll select the XY plane. Go to line command. First make a rough sketch. So make a horizontal profile. Now from line command make a rough profile. Taper line and this. Okay. Now close the sketch. Go to dimensions. Give this dimension as 100 mm. Okay. And this dimension will be 35. This will be 38. And this dimension will be 5 mm. Okay. Now we have given all the horizontal dimensions. Now for vertical dimensions, this dimension will be of 20 mm and this dimension will be 38 mm. Okay. Now to make it constrain, select this and give height as 2 mm. Okay. Now we have made all the dimensions. So from here go to finish sketch and select the revolve command. The profile is selected. The axis of rotation will be this bottom profile and OK. Now select this face, go to create sketch, go to circle command and from this midpoint make a circle of 85.5 mm. Okay. Now finish sketch and extrude it up to 5 mm and OK. Now again select this face, go to create sketch, go to circle command and make a circle over here of dimension 45 mm. Now go to project geometry and project this circle. Go to line command and make line from this circle to this, similarly from here to here. Okay, and scale. Now go to dimensions. The height of this circle from the center point will be 115 mm. Okay, now you can see it's running outside. So go to vertical constraint, select this point and select the center point. Now they are vertically aligned to each other. Now go to tangent constraint, select this line and select this circle. Similarly select this circle and select this line. Okay. Now same activity we will do with this. Select this line and select this circle. Okay. Now select this line and select this circle. Go to extrude command, select this profile and give dimension as 20 mm. Okay. Now select this face, go to create sketch and go to circle command. From here we will find the center point of this arc. So select this center point and make a die of 25 mm and go to 3D model, extrude it up to 50 mm and OK. Now go to, now we will make the thread profile. So for thread profile select this face, go to create sketch, go to project geometry and select this circle. Finish. Now from here go to 3D sketch, go to helical coil to make the threads, select this midpoint and select this side plane. It will give you the guiding line, the red line. Click on this red line. Now from here give the dimensions. Dia is 40, pitch will be of 2.5 mm and the revolution will be 12. Okay. Now go to finish sketch. Now we want to make a cut profile, so select this plane, select this point and select this arc curve. Okay, now it will generate a new plane. Select this plane, go to create sketch, rotate the view. Okay, now you can see, go to project geometry, select this point profile. It will generate a new point over here which will be included in the sketch. Now from here go to polygon and select 3 sides and select this point, make it normal and make a triangle going downwards. Go to view, visual style and change it to wireframe. Now you can see the whole profile. Go to sketch and go to dimensions. This profile will be of dimension 1.5 mm. Go to vertical constraint. Okay, go to horizontal constraint, select this point and select this point. Now it is constrained. Finish sketch. Now from here go to sweep command. Now you can change the view. Go to view, visual style and go back to shaded with edges. Change the view from here. Now here select this profile which you want to sweep and select path. This curve will be the path. Okay, we want to cut, so select here cut and OK. Now you can see the threaded profile over here. This will be the profile. Now we want to mirror all the profiles, so go to mirror command, select complete profiles and go to mirror plane. For mirror plane select this face and OK. Okay, now it will mirror. Now we will apply fillet on all the edges. So from here go to fillet command, take a fillet radius of 2 mm and select this edge, select this edge, select this internal, this edge, rotate the view and this edge. Okay, and apply. Now for here give radius 15 mm, select edge, this edge and select this. Okay, and apply. Similarly this side select this and apply. Okay, now we will assign the color or the appearance. From here select chrome polished. Okay, now you can hide the work plane, select this and right click, turn off the visibility. Similarly this also, this will be in the mirror one. Okay, here work plane 2, this, right click, turn off the visibility. Select this sketch, the sketch will be this, and turn off the visibility. Okay, this is the complete profile. Now I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.